Alrighty, about to go out and do some shooting real quick. And today we're going to be featuring the DJI drone, but also the Insta360 X camera for the 360 degree view from the truck. And also I am filming on the Ace Pro 2 for this particular vlog. So let's get this going. Alrighty, so let's get the 360 camera up and going. Let's go drive down to the salt marsh. Alright, so as you can see right now, we have actually stopped 360 camera right up there, and this is the salt marsh that I was talking about. There's going to be a lot of traffic going by. I'm not using any microphones. I'm using strictly the internal mics that are on the Ace Pro 2 to kind of see how they look. But that's the salt marsh. It's kind of like a protected wetlands here. And I'm going to fly the drone. There's a couple of areas, facilities, and all kinds of stuff. You can see some ducks out there, and we'll try to get some good footage of those guys on the drone. You can see right there, we're actually cruising it right across that part of the lake. It's actually a pretty cool little device. Not to mention, so is this camera. Okay, so that actually worked out pretty good. We got to get out here, get some good video footage. I got the sun directly behind the camera right now, and playing with both of the DJI drones. We've got the Neo and the Mini 4K. Just, you know, have some fun, and I'll put some of the drone video footage on this video. But my main thing is I just wanted to kind of get out and play with this Ace Pro 2. I mean, seems like so far it's been a really awesome camera. I've been really enjoying it. And the cool thing about having this setup right here, Mantis Pod. I can set this thing down wherever and actually do my vlogging. As you can see right now, I'm kind of like at the little pull off for the bird sanctuary that's out here at the salt marshes. Cars are going to be going by. Yesterday when I did my initial test on it, the audio was actually fairly decent. That's why I wanted to set up here. One, I wanted to get some video footage of the salt marsh, but I also wanted to see how good the audio would be, let's say, if I was like in an inner city walking around doing this type of vlogging. It's the perfect way to do that. So gonna go back to the house and review some of the footage, and I'll kind of give you an idea of what it is I think, and we'll talk a little bit about some of the specs that I used for this particular shoot. Like what were my settings on the camera. So let's do that. And before we get going, let me go ahead and turn this guy back on. Yep. Pretty awesome little rig you can get set up. This is the Insta360 X. We're gonna get some surround footage. Okay, so let's get this party started, I guess. To the house. So, back at the house, I've had a chance to review some of the video footage already. So what'd you think of the drone footage? Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. That was the salt marsh that is about 4 miles up from my house. I live near a major river. So kind of just right now, I'm sitting out here on my deck just to talk to you and tell you a little bit of some of the different settings that I had on this. So what I was using was the Pure Shot. I believe the Pure Shot for the Ace Pro 2. I had it in the Leica vivid color profile, and I had my EV drop down to a -2. So the video footage looks really good. It's amazing for what it is. I mean, it's an action camera that is pushing the boundaries of being like a mirrorless camera. Actually rather enjoying this setup. So I'm probably going to be doing some more video footage, more vlogging and stuff over the next couple of weeks using this particular camera. But I gotta say, as far as camera releases for 2025, the Action 5 Pro was a good release. The DJI Nano, excellent release. And then I got a hold of the Go Ultra, and now the Ace Pro 2. And as far as the Go Ultra and the Ace Pro 2 go, I have to say ease of use is really nice. And they're so similar because they're both using the Leica profile. They both have almost the same size sensor, except for with the GoPro Ultra, or the Go Ultra, not GoPro, the Ace, or the English Mr. Mike, the Insta360 Go Ultra, you can actually remove the pod and actually mount it to you with a magnet and stuff. So portability, going out and vlogging in public without a lot of people just kind of staring you down because you're carrying this huge camera rig. Even with this one right now, it's not nearly as bad. Even with this Mantis pod, because I can pick this thing up, I can go out, do whatever I want to, do my vlogging, and just have fun with it. So Insta360 Ace Pro 2, I'm sold. I kind of like this. So drop a comment below, let me know what you think of the video. If you have any questions about the camera, I do believe all the sales that were on it are, some of them are still going on. I've seen the pricing on Amazon, fairly decent pricing. I'll put a link below in the description. On Insta360's website, they've still got some good pricing, but I think a lot of the sales have started to disappear. But I suspect they'll come back maybe next week because Christmas time is coming. And again, the 360-degree camera I was using was the Insta360 X. Love that camera. I've been able to get out and just kind of play with that, have fun with it. That to me is not really a vlogging camera. That's a go play, get some good B-roll footage, and just have fun. So yeah, I'm rambling now. So that's it, guys. Drop a comment, like, subscribe, share. See you guys on the next video. Alrighty, back in the studio. Got to put all this stuff up. Vlogging bag. Interesting color patterns I've got back there. It's for my TikTok videos. I just do something a little different in the background. But hell, even in here, I'm still getting good video footage. And I've only got that light and that light over there, and then that big ambient purple light. Bye.